初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
You look really happy today.
You look really happy today.
你今天看起来真的很开心。
You look really happy today.
You look really happy today.
That smile made my whole day.
That smile made my whole day.
那个笑容让我一整天都很开心。
That smile made my whole day.
That smile made my whole day.
Thanks, that means a lot.
Thanks, that means a lot.
谢谢，这对我来说意义重大。
Thanks, that means a lot.
Thanks, that means a lot.
I brought you some coffee.
I brought you some coffee.
我给你带了些咖啡。
I brought you some coffee.
I brought you some coffee.
You didn't have to do that.
You didn't have to do that.
你不必这么做的。
You didn't have to do that.
You didn't have to do that.
I just wanted to help.
I just wanted to help.
我只是想帮忙。
I just wanted to help.
I just wanted to help.
You always know what to say.
You always know what to say.
你总是知道该说什么。
You always know what to say.
You always know what to say.
That's so thoughtful of you.
That's so thoughtful of you.
你真是太体贴了。
That's so thoughtful of you.
That's so thoughtful of you.
You make everything feel lighter.
You make everything feel lighter.
你让一切都感觉更轻松。
You make everything feel lighter.
You make everything feel lighter.
I love spending time with you.
I love spending time with you.
我喜欢和你在一起。
I love spending time with you.
I love spending time with you.
You always cheer me up.
You always cheer me up.
你总是让我振作起来。
You always cheer me up.
You always cheer me up.
I appreciate you being here.
I appreciate you being here.
我很感激你在这里。
I appreciate you being here.
I appreciate you being here.
That was really kind of you.
That was really kind of you.
你真是太好了。
That was really kind of you.
That was really kind of you.
You have a good heart.
You have a good heart.
你有一颗善良的心。
You have a good heart.
You have a good heart.
I'm lucky to know you.
I'm lucky to know you.
认识你很幸运。
I'm lucky to know you.
I'm lucky to know you.
You make people feel comfortable.
You make people feel comfortable.
你让人感到舒适。
You make people feel comfortable.
You make people feel comfortable.
Thanks for checking on me.
Thanks for checking on me.
谢谢你关心我。
Thanks for checking on me.
Thanks for checking on me.
You make this place feel like home.
You make this place feel like home.
你让这个地方感觉像家一样。
You make this place feel like home.
You make this place feel like home.
That really touched my heart.
That really touched my heart.
那真的触动了我的心。
That really touched my heart.
That really touched my heart.
You're such a good listener.
You're such a good listener.
你真是个很好的倾听者。
You're such a good listener.
You're such a good listener.
I'm glad I ran into you.
I'm glad I ran into you.
很高兴遇见你。
I'm glad I ran into you.
I'm glad I ran into you.
You made me laugh so hard.
You made me laugh so hard.
你让我笑得很开心。
You made me laugh so hard.
You made me laugh so hard.
That's exactly what I needed.
That's exactly what I needed.
这正是我需要的。
That's exactly what I needed.
That's exactly what I needed.
You're better than you think.
You're better than you think.
你比你自己想的要好。
You're better than you think.
You're better than you think.
You always notice the details.
You always notice the details.
你总是注意到细节。
You always notice the details.
You always notice the details.
Thanks for remembering that.
Thanks for remembering that.
谢谢你记得这个。
Thanks for remembering that.
Thanks for remembering that.
You have a great sense of humor.
You have a great sense of humor.
你很有幽默感。
You have a great sense of humor.
You have a great sense of humor.
You always make things better.
You always make things better.
你总是让事情变得更好。
You always make things better.
You always make things better.
That was so sweet of you.
That was so sweet of you.
你真是太贴心了。
That was so sweet of you.
That was so sweet of you.
I feel calmer when you're here.
I feel calmer when you're here.
你在的时候，我感觉更平静。
I feel calmer when you're here.
I feel calmer when you're here.
You really understand me well.
You really understand me well.
你真的很了解我。
You really understand me well.
You really understand me well.
You're easy to talk to.
You're easy to talk to.
和你聊天很轻松。
You're easy to talk to.
You're easy to talk to.
That was such a nice surprise.
That was such a nice surprise.
那真是个美好的惊喜。
That was such a nice surprise.
That was such a nice surprise.
You're one of the good ones.
You're one of the good ones.
你是好人之一。
You're one of the good ones.
You're one of the good ones.
You make every day brighter.
You make every day brighter.
你让每一天都更明亮。
You make every day brighter.
You make every day brighter.
I'll never forget what you did.
I'll never forget what you did.
我永远不会忘记你所做的。
I'll never forget what you did.
I'll never forget what you did.
You bring out the best in people.
You bring out the best in people.
你激发出人们最好的一面。
You bring out the best in people.
You bring out the best in people.
That hug made everything okay.
That hug made everything okay.
那个拥抱让一切都好了。
That hug made everything okay.
That hug made everything okay.
You're someone I can trust.
You're someone I can trust.
你是我可以信任的人。
You're someone I can trust.
You're someone I can trust.
You make life a little softer.
You make life a little softer.
你让生活更温柔一些。
You make life a little softer.
You make life a little softer.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。